Hi, I'm Ty. You're watching Osmo Mobile Tutorials, where you'll learn how to get the most out of your device. Sometimes you want to shoot something but take part in the shot yourself. ActiveTrack gives control to the Osmo Mobile so the camera on your phone moves with you automatically. This works with your phone's front or rear-facing camera. When using ActiveTrack, the Osmo Mobile tripod is highly recommended. To track a subject, make sure it is clearly within your frame. Tap the yellow target icon and drag the box around your subject. To stop tracking at any time, select Exit or tap the trigger button. If at any time the subject is lost, the green tracking box will turn red. DJI Go will look for the subject and cancel tracking if it cannot find it again. If you want to track yourself, use your phone's front-facing camera and make sure you're clearly in the shot. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Osmo Mobile tutorials.